Vaiphei Women Association (VWA) members today organized protest meet and rally against Churachandpur MLA LM Khaute joining the new state government. Protests began around 11 a.m. from Vaiphei People's Council office at Bethel locality and later took out a rally towards the residence of the MLA at Hilltown. However, security forces attempted to stop the marchers en route, leading to a brief scuffle. As the protesters continued advancing, security personnel reportedly fired tear gas shells to disperse the crowd, halting the rally a short distance from the MLA's residence. Women protesters chanted slogans expressing opposition to LM Khaute's political decision and demanded his resignation. Speaking to media, VWA spokesperson Vaiphei stated that the protest was held to voice strong resentment against Khaute's decision to join the popular government, alleging that it goes against the collective stand and trust of the Vaiphei community. She warned that if the MLA does not step down, the association will continue to mobilize the community and intensify protest. She further stated that, as a member of the Vaiphei tribe, Khaute's decision has caused disappointment and anger among sections of his own community. Security remained deployed in the area to prevent further escalation.